everyone, today we will learn how to install driver when the hard drive is not showing in the when we install the OS. So now click refresh. If hard drive don't show, then we will go on the Google and we will learn how to download the drivers. Search on the Google Intel Vrock SATA controller for the HP server. You will find the link. Also link is given in the BIOS, so you can directly download from there also. Now here you can see operating system 2019 and 22 and Windows SATA SSD drivers, Windows SATA SSD driver, and link is given for that also. So click on that link and now new page will open. Okay, so here just see below in the release note, it's showing support G11 servers only. So we need drivers for G10 plus. So just click above here and go in the revision history. Now you can see support both G10 plus and G11 servers. So we need to download this option. Okay, so now in download, select both file and click download. Now both files are downloaded. Now copy that both files in the pen drive. Okay, now one file was checksum, so no need of that file. Now application file is here, but we need to extract this file. So for this you need to download WinRAR to extract these drivers, then it will show while installing the OS. So now we will download WinRAR. If you have WinRAR, then no need to download, but if you don't have WinRAR, you need to download. Also WinRAR, this page link also given in the description, you can check from there. Now install WinRAR in your CPU. Done. Now WinRAR is installed. Now here our application file, just press extract here. If we don't extract, it will not show while installing the OS. The driver will not show. Now copy that drivers in the pen drive and plug in the pen drive in the server. Now go in the browse, below search for your pen drive. Now D drive is my pen drive, so click. Now in the SATA folder we put application file, so select SATA folder. It will automatically detect the drivers. If click here to hide the drivers which not supported, so it will only show drivers which are supported in the server. So just click and press next. It will install the drivers. Now it's installing the drivers in the CPU. Now you can see the hard drive is showing. Okay, before there was no hard drive showing. Now we will do partition, apply. Okay, now partition also created. Just select the primary, no need to format because RAID is created. Press next and now Windows installed. Okay, thanks for watching.